let's get productive for the week of February 26th through March 3rd. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's plan with me will be the last official day I am using the exclusive January kit from Exo Mama Plans, and look at just, there's still a ton of stickers left. I think one thing I want to do just so that I can visually see things a little bit better, I'm going to take this part off. A lot of times when I have big sticker kits like this, if I can just take a moment to, readjust these stickers so that I can see them in one spot, it really helps me make a spread a little bit easier. And then, like, the sticker pages I have are less bulky, because then anything I have left over is kind of all put together in one spot. Easier to see, easier to get at. All right, that just kind of gets things a little more together so that I can kind of see things a little bit better. All right, let's go ahead and do, I didn't even notice that guy up there. I'm gonna go ahead and put him here for our brain dump, and I think we'll even use the word small stuff for that brain dumping deal. And then over here, I think I'll use this for my quote of the week. And then we can use the bows. Like this. I don't use the bows very often, so having them for something like that works. Schedule. Okay. Super simple. I'm just looking. Might come back to these, but let's go ahead and go to the week itself. Are you doing anything fun or special for Leap Day? I don't think we really are. It's our Read Across America day, so I should probably make sure I put boxes down for that. We have stuff going on for that. I'm gonna put the numbers, I think. Can I fit them above? I don't think so. I think I gotta fit them to the side, so we'll do that. 6. What's awesome about this kit, because it's, how I divvied up my weeks, I can still use the majority of the date dots. That's awesome. Makes me happy. 2, 3. Perfect. Wonderful. I love it. Now I have these boxes, full boxes, and then I have a lot of headers and checklists, which I love me a good checklist. These headers, they look like full boxes, so I'm trying to decide how I want that to go. Sometimes I just put these together because I like them the way they are. I don't know. First, well, maybe we use that as the part on the bottom. So let's do Monday, Wednesday, Friday. We'll use the glitter ones. Monday. Wait. Let go. Let go. Idea formed. Jules, you been good? She's like, yes, I'm being good. And then let's use now, I'm a music teacher, for those who may not know, and this week is going to be a spirit week for one of my buildings, so that's why I'm focused on that Monday, Wednesday, Friday part of things. Oh, that's really cute. That's really cute. And then we got one more pinky one, and we'll use this moon one. Do this on Friday. So, oh, no, I remember what I'm supposed to dress up as. Usually I can't remember because I'm at 2 buildings and they do different things. Monday is pajama day. I know it's a little crooked. Last week it might bother me this week too. Hang on, undo. Monday is pajama day. Wednesday is dressing up as a specific color. So I believe specials are red. I don't have a lot of red, so I think I'm going to end up borrowing some of my husband's Blackhawks gear. And then Friday is Spirit Day, where we wear school colors. Da-da. There we go. If you have never heard of Undo, I was there with you guys. I found out about it from another planner girl called Coffee Planner Mom, and she used it, and I was like, really, is it that big of a deal? It is kind of a game changer. If you are a person, like when I have the weeks where I am a perfectionist about my stickers and where they go, Undo is very helpful. There's other times where I'm like, it's crooked, it's fine. This one was just a little too crooked for my liking. All right, so let's write that down. So we got pajama day, red day, and spirit day. Sweet. All right, so that takes care of those things. I feel like I want to do some sort of mix of the full boxes and the checklists. Oh, those doggos. I also have a meeting. Which icon do I want to use? Little icon or a big icon? Let's see. Those dogs. They're so funny. Reindeer games. I think I'll use this one. And we'll do it with this pink box here. Zoom meeting. I don't think I have any other meetings this week. That's like the big one. So let's do butterfly there. Small stuff, and then do I have little checklists? Oh, I do. I do have little checklists. I'll just do a 2. Since Monday's a little bit busier. And then let's do the flower header there. We haven't used yellow, so we'll do the big yellow to-do list, and we'll put the to-do above that. This might be one of those times where I just put the music on and speed through. It happens sometimes. Yeah. Especially when you're working on productivity. So let's do that. Let me focus on where I'm placing the stickers. I'll come back and chat at you in a moment. I think that is it, friends. I know I got quiet. It was one of those days where I just, sometimes you just don't have a lot to say, and that is totally fine. I have just a few things left on these sticker sheets. I'm just pressing them down so they stay on where they're supposed to when I put them away. It's got a whole bunch of these small stuff, so we're gonna put these in this one here. Because I can always grab them. A lot of these colors now that are just solid are very springy, so I can use them in upcoming spreads when I'm looking for something. But it also condenses my sticker stash down a little bit. It's not so overwhelming with pages, or like, hey, you're looking at like 2 stickers on page. Right, Jules? Right, Sharpie? They're like, are we done yet? We just started, friends, but yes, for right now we are done. Apparently, what I asked to have printed did not print while I was doing this. I didn't even notice, so I'll have to try that again. Oh well. So yes, that will do it for this one, my friends. Now we're down to 4 pages from where we originally were. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And thanks to all of those new subscribers who have recently subscribed. I'm so glad to have you here. And I'll catch you all in the next one.